Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Lesson number 6, Natural Regions explanation video from your textbook subject Geography Standard 6. Sorry, here I have written from mistakenly this 6 nothing. Standard 6, lesson number 6, Natural Regions explanation video, subject Geography, Standard 7th. My name is Faruqi Mohammed on channel Slimons Academy. I am from Padraknal Technical High School, Bandra West. This is subject Geography, Standard 7. Let us begin. Now can you tell? So tick the boxes in the picture using the index given on page 31. So here we are given this. On the basis of the selection you have done and the questions given below, arrange a discussion in the class. Why are all the house types shown in the picture are not seen in surroundings? Which are the regions where such types? Now students, this will be done in your free time. Now we will read now the lesson hour. Okay. So from here we have the lesson. There exists a large number. There exists a large number of different things in the world. Then those we see in our surroundings, we see different educational and informative TV programs about wildlife. We become curious to know more about this wildlife. Are they not similar to the things in our areas? What causes these differences? Let us try to find the reasons behind all this. So here also they have shown some tick and wrong. Index used experience. I do not know about it. So you have to done. I will explain you हिंदी. आप लोगों को इसमें करने का है, जैसे ये आपने इसका एक्सपीरियंस लिया है तो आपको इसमें टिक करने का है, और अगर आपने इसको रियल में देखा है तो स्टार बनाने का है. एक्सपीरियंस नहीं लिया तो और देखा है तो स्टार बनाने का. अगर इसके बारे में नहीं मालूम है तो क्रॉस करने का. जैसे अभी मैंने इसका एक्सपीरियंस लिया है, जैसे मैं अभी कश्मीर में रहता हूँ, मैंने इसका एक्सपीरियंस लिया है तो मैं इसमें टिक मारूँगा. और दिस इज़ द विलेज, और मैंने विलेज कभी देखा ही नहीं तो उसमें मैं कट मारूँगा. और इसके बारे में ये क्या है, इसको मेरे बारे में पता नहीं. अरे जैसे ये विलेज, इसको मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं, इसके बारे में मालूम ही नहीं, तो उसमें मैं रॉन्ग डालूँगा. और हाँ, और इसको मैंने देखा है, इस जगह को तो मैंने देखा है तो इसमें मैं स्टार बनाऊँगा. ऐसे आपको करने का. Geographical explanation. There are differences in terms of land forms, climate, soils, etc. in different parts of the world. This differences is mainly due to the availability of sunlight and water in that region. The availability of sunlight and water keeps on changing from the equator to the poles. You have studied this in the previous standards. Difference in landforms, climate and soil greatly influence the flora, fauna and human life and give rise to variations in the biodiversity in different parts of the world. On the other hand, there are similarities of the climate, vegetation and animal life in different continents and the spread between certain latitudes. These similarities stand out as the distinctive features features of these regions, as these regions stand out on the basis of natural factors. They are called natural regions. The natural environment of such regions affects the living world, including human beings. The entire land area on the earth can be divided into these natural regions. Let us try let us try to understand their distribution with the help of maps and tables given in this lesson. So here also they are shown maps. Tundra region, this is a tundra region. Taiga region, grasslands between 65 degree to 90 degree parallels. Now this is also done. Let us play with our friends or family. Here they are shown. Prepare cards for each of the cells in the above table. Distribute the cards among the students and play the game of finding other members of the family of natural regions. The natural regions is given in the table are found in specific latitudinal extents between the equator and the poles. Availability of water and temperature found there determine the location and extent of these regions. Besides the regions mentioned above, there are some more regions which stand out due to local conditions. There are the monsoon, the Mediterranean and the West European regions, while the monsoon and West European regions stand out because of specific winds blowing there. The Mediterranean region is known for its rainfall in winters. These are described in the table given below. So these tables which are coming in front, you have to read. I am not reading because you must be understand it too. You read this compulsory in your textbook. No need to write in your notebook, only read. Beside the 9 regions given in the tables, there are certain other distinctive regions which stand out because of their specific continuational location. For example, the China type region, St. Lawrence regions, etc. See the extent of these regions in figure 6.1. Now they have Earth and some question answers. Answer the following questions after the study the above map. Which natural regions are found in India? Which continent comprises a major proportion of the hot desert type region? So this full diagram or whatever you have to make in your notebook because it can become in your exam. It can be not compulsory, it will become in your exam. Okay. Answer the following questions. What natural region consists of short-lived vegetation? Now, from this question answers, these are. If you are interested, solve it or let it be. Some good students, learning students, studied students will solve, and average student will be nothing. As one travels from the equator to the poles, the spectrum of the biodiversity narrows down. This leads to the issue of availability of natural resources. The adversely affects human occupations in monsoon regions. Agriculture and allied activities from the main occupation of the people in equatorial regions. Occupations like gathering of gum, honey, rubber, lac, etc. are all based on forest produce. Taiga is a soft forest, therefore lumbering in the main is the main occupation there. In the tundra regions, the main occupation is hunting and fishing. Extensive farming is undertaken in grasslands nowadays. Significant differences are found in the environment and available resources in different natural regions. These uses of regions is dependent on that region's progressive science and technology. Similarly, the history and cultural organization of that as affects the life of the people. Think about it, you. Why are the people in the hot desert and mostly in why are the hot deserts mainly located along the western side of the continents? So these also the questions you solve it in your notebook. Every student I know they will not do, but every student also must be do these questions. What are coming in textbooks and exercises. Good students, studying students will do. I hope you will do these sums. Okay. Always remember, not only human life but the entire living world on the earth depends on the available natural resources. Hence why utilizing these resources we must think of all the living organisms. The concept the earth is one single family will become a reality only if we do that. Do you know? About 25% of the deserts on the earth are sandy desert. Many of the deserts are occupied by rock exposed or covered by stony wastes and pebbles. Some have high hills with narrow rocky peninsula. Deserts like Ladakh in our country or Arizona in the United States of America are of this type. Strong winds blowing in the desert lift and deposit sand to make sandy hills or sand dunes. Some dunes can be as high as 200 meters. These hills do not remain stationary but keep moving slowly under the influence of winds. At times, villages get bored under them. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe, and especially comment my channel on Academy. Okay. Bye.